Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani, SIRT. People will hate you, rate you, shake you, and break you. But how strong you stand is what makes you. With the great lines of Rabindranath Tagore, I would like to start a lecture regarding the interview skills. Here, I will teach you how you will face the interview and what are the different type of skills you will have to follow during the interview skills. Just first of all, I would like to start the introduction. What do you mean by the interview? An interview is a formal meeting with a view to ascertain your suitability for the job before entering a contract to agreement. You should become familiar with the company, its products or services, its competitors, the industry in which it operates, and ask, what do you know about our company? How can you benefit your company? Here, the interviewer will ask you, what do you mean? What do you know about our companies? And why you want to join our company? Just I am telling that top interview skills are regarding prepare, be punctual, think, speak clearly, calmly, be confident, not arrogant, and listen well, express gratitude. All are the top interview skills. Whenever you are going to present the interview, the interviewer will ask different type of question regarding your preparation, punctuality, and what are you saying. Then you are saying the words with calmly or with arrogant, and always you are a confident, or check, he will check your confidence, and you are listening well or not, and lastly you are expressing gratitude or not. All these things are in the interview skills. Before going to the interview, you should have to do the research work. Here are some research articles. The best way to start researching a company is simply type the name of the company into the research form at the major search engines like google.com website, and whatever you know about the company, you should have to type and search the different points regarding the company. Then what are the topics you should have to research when you are going to join any company? Then what are its new products or services? You should have to research the new products and services. What are the short-term and long-term goal of that company? And how the company is resolve the problems, and where is the company's headquarters, and what are the requirements, what are the backgrounds of the managers, and what training programs are they offered. Different type of research work you should have to follow when you are going to do the interview. General research topics are also regarding how old the company, how large is it, and what are its products or services, what are its customers, what are the major competitors, and what is its reputation, industry standing. All this type of general research you should have to follow. Here are different skills. Here are different type of various skills when you will going to present any interview. Then your various skills will be shown in front of the interviewer, like your hard work, research work, your ambition for the mission and vision of your success, your education qualification, different type of various skills they will judge, the interviewer will judge. And then you will when you are going to present the interview, on the day of the interview, you should have to follow the points. Don't study late in the night before the interview. A full night's sleep is must before the interview to remain fit and fresh during the course of the day. Don't eat an exceptionally heavy breakfast on the day of your interview, as it might make you feel uncomfortable or heavy. Different points you should have to follow. You should take the light breakfast and you should take the full night sleep because you will be the fresh for the next morning. So different type of points you should have to follow. And here are some pictures. Whenever you are going to present the interview, make sure that your outfit suits the post for which you are being interviewed. Your outfit should be matched. When you are going to present the interview, it must be formal and you should be comfortable. Always you should maintain the comfortability. This is also the important point for your relaxation of interview skills. And during this interview skills, you should make sure that you are courteous throughout. All times you are courteous. Don't remember to offer please, thank you, as and you are comfortable and relaxed. And if confronted with an odd or courteous question, whenever the interviewer will ask different odd question, don't be nervous. You should always be calm and answer the questions with clarity and confidence, because your confidence will be shown in front of the interviewer. Be attentive and alert throughout the interview. Always you should have to be attentive whenever you are going to present the interview. Speak in a clear voice. Always you should, if you are saying few words also, they must be very clear, and make sure that each word is audible to the interviewer. Don't murmur like this, and you should have to clear voice. 2 words, 3 words, but it should be clear. Whenever asked any odd questions, then you should have to answer with smartly, and don't lose your confidence. You should give the answers with smartly. Like this, discuss with important current affairs and news items of the day. Means before you are going to present the interview, then you should have to familiar with the current affairs. Means you should have to know the what is the current news is going on, because the interviewer may ask you the current affairs, current news. Means likewise, right now the vaccination of the corona is going on, then you like this any type of current major news you should have to memorize whenever you are going to present the interview. And on the day of interview also you should have to follow the different rules as I told before, and read the morning newspaper and note important headlines. If there is time, try to hear the latest news bulletin and get ready a little before time, so that you have to sufficient time. You always be a punctual, and you should always to reach the interview point with punctuality before the half an hour before. So try to reach the venue before at least half an hour early, without starting from your house. Keep a margin for the unforeseen traffic jams or any other factor that may delay you. So always take the half an hour time of your grace, then it will be proper way to reach the venue with proper time and with punctuality. So introduce yourself in a courteous manner. This is also very important point during the interview. Introduce yourself in a very courteous manner while you are waiting to be called in talk. If the you are waiting in front means outside the interview hall, to discuss the important points with the candidates who are also waiting there. So this is the important points, because whenever you are waiting in the outside, it may if you are discussing with some important points with the colleagues who are waiting outside, so you may know many new things which are missing on that day. So please, whenever you are get the waiting outside, you should have to discuss with your other candidates also. And during the interview also, you should don't speak too fast. Don't speak too fast. Let every word you speak be clear and audible to all the members. Don't make artificial and excessive gesticulation. Try to be a normal and relaxed as possible. You should have don't be fluttered or excessive gesticulations, excessive body language, because you should have to be relaxed and confident, then it will be shown to the interviewer. Don't be emotional any particular point. Whenever any emotional points be in front of the interviewer, don't be nervous, and don't be emotional at that point. Don't interrupt the others. Let the chairman or other members complete his question. Some candidates always interrupt during the interview. So this is a bad quality. So don't interrupt the others. If the chairman or other members are asking or saying something, don't be interrupt with them. And during the interview, you should also follow the different points also regarding be a good listener. Whenever they are saying something, you should have to listen very nicely and be a good listener. Maintain eye contact, show your enthusiasm and will to contribute. Do not criticize previous employer also. Be on time. First greeting and a pleasant time. Whenever you are entered in the interview hall, you should have to greet good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever the time it may be. You should have to greet them first. Then your dressing should be very, very impressive. This is the very important point regarding the interview. Your dressing should be very, because it shown your personality. And during the interview also, don't forget to close the door after you have entered the interview hall. Don't forget to ask permission. Always ask the permission before entering into the hall. Ask, may I come in, please? In this way, you should get the permission. Don't forget timely salutation when you have reached near the table of the chairman. Greet them according to the time. Don't sit down. Don't sit down yourself. If the chairman is not saying please sit down, then don't be sit. Wait for the chairman's instruction to take a seat. Don't start on your own. Don't start your own words. First of all, let the chairman or let the board of directors initiate the proceedings. This is the general courtesy regarding the interview. And don't enter into any argument with the chairman or any members of the board. Don't try to avoid questions. If consequently two or more members have put their questions, reply each one of the same order. Or sometimes interviewer, the board of director asks many questions with a one time, but you should have to be calm and cool, and whenever you are going to reply, you should have to reply one by one. If you are not sure to something, if you are not knowing that answer of that question, say, sir, I am not aware of such a thing. Like this, I am sorry, I do not know. In this way, you can get the pardon, and don't fizzle around with your buttons. Means sometimes more candidates always taking the buttons and hair or anything, pen or anything, nervousness. This shows the nervousness sign. So always be careful about this. After the interview, when the interview is over, then you should have to if the chairman or any member appreciate your discussions on the point, you have to take the opportunity to immediately thank him for the compliments. Now, like this is the general courtesy after the interview. Some do's a day before the interview, some different type of points. When before the interview, you should have to select the dress you are going to wear, and make sure that it is clean, well ironed, and without any missing buttons. Make sure what your outfit suits the post for which you are being interviewed. Now, this is the general points a day before the interview. And brush up your general knowledge. Always you should have to brush up your general knowledge regarding the facts, current events, and especially those concerning about your industry. And always you should have to be confident, and you take the your necessary documents, take out your interview call letter, put it on the top of your folder containing your mark sheet and certificate. Note the time of the interview once again to make sure that you are not late for the interview. Always be punctual and reach the interview place, and take the folder with all the necessary documents. So whenever after the interview, you should have if the chairman is getting the handshake, then you have a firm handshake with him. And here are the main basic points which you will have to follow during the interview. First of all, the research work you have done, and organizations and company, any positions you have done, skills, think about the qualifications, prepare stories, examples, and responses. Here are some important points which you have to prepare. And here are the very important points before the interview. Plan what to wear. This is the important point. What to bring means documents, everything you should have to bring. And your driving route. What will be your driving route? By your own vehicle, by your bus, or by your two-wheeler, whatever the driving route is that. So you should have to, because you have to be reach there with punctual time. All this, and finally, I'm making this chart that all these things are regarding your success. That first in the first series, you dream for that job, then you learn about research work for the job, and then you do the preparation for the job, and then you do practice, then the success will be yours. This is all about your interview skills. And watch your thoughts, they become your actions. Watch your actions, they become your habits. Watch habits, they become your character. And watch your character, they become your destiny. With the beautiful lines of Rabindranath Tagore, I am getting end of this interview skills. Till then, you should have to prepare, and for any queries, you contact me. My mobile number is flashing on the screen, and this is presented by Professor Mukta Chandani. Thank you very much for being for watching this video. Thank you.